What's up mga katurkada? It's Andrea here, your tour guide for today's video. Samahan niyo ako as we explore every corner and uncover the rich and unique history of the amazing place that we're gonna be visiting today. Welcome to Manila City Library Annex!
The Manila City Library was established shortly after World War II on October 28, 1946 through City Ordinance No. 2982, making it one of Manila's first public libraries after the war. It was originally located in Binondo at the corner of Madrid and San Fernando streets. As the number of readers grew, a larger three-story building was constructed in 1964 under the order of former Mayor Antonio Villegas. The library relocated several times and is now located at 800 Taft Avenue, Ermita, Manila. Despite its many moves, the Manila City Library remains a lasting symbol of learning, history, and public service for every Manileño.
So, as we enter, makikita natin right away ang first floor ng library. Pero bago natin i-explore yon, pumunta muna tayo dito sa registration counter. Morning po. So, dito sa registration center, syempre lalagay mo yung pangalan mo. So, after natin mag-register, ibababa ko na yung ballpen dahil sama-sama nating iikutin ang bawat section na meron dito sa first floor. Tara! So, our first stop, we have here the periodical section. Kung mahilig kayo sa latest news, government publications, journals, or magazines, you may want to consider checking this section. Next stop, we have here the circulation center. So, ang circulation center, makikita natin siya starting from there hanggang doon sa dulo. So, ang circulation center, dito natin makikita ang main collection ng library. So, simula literature, arts, history, yung social sciences, and so on and so forth, dito natin siya makikita lagi. So, lahat ng pwede mong hanapin regarding that section, pwede natin siyang i-check dito sa circulation section. For our next stop, we have here the Filipiniana section. So, ang Filipiniana section dito sa library, makikita natin siya starting from there hanggang dito. So, kapag nakita nyo lang yung color coding na yellow and green, ibig sabihin nun tayo ay nasa Filipiniana section. So, ang Filipiniana section, dito natin makikita ang history about our country, the culture, the tradition, the government itself, and so on and so forth. So, ayun, dito lang natin siya pwede mahanap. So, for our next stop, we have here the kids section. So, coming from the word itself, kids section, syempre, it's for the kids or the children. So, kapag pumunta tayo dito sa section na to, mapapansin natin ang children's books, toys, board games na swak for their use. And fun fact, ang library, meron silang weekly enrichment reading day wherein every Wednesday, meron silang nagpapabasa sila ng mga bata regarding sa iba't ibang libro na meron sila dito para ma-enhance ang kanilang reading experience. Ngayon, pumunta naman tayo sa mga sections na meron ang second floor. Tara, we're now gonna head on to the first section that you will see once you step here on the second floor. So we have here the Rizaliana collection. So coming from the word itself, the description itself, it's about our national hero, Jose Rizal. So over 200 plus of his publications are here sa collection na to. So let us now proceed to the next stop. We have here the special collection. So dito sa section na to, makikita natin ang iba't ibang thesis, dissertations, and etc. So, kung kinakailangan nyo ng researches about your RRL, reference, kung ano man yung document na ginagawa nyo, pwede kayong tumingin sa collection na to. So, nandito naman tayo sa first part ng general reference section. So, itong part na to, nagko-consist siya ng encyclopedias, dictionaries, at iba-iba pang reference book. So, perfect itong section na to if kinakailangan nyo ng quick research, background research about a certain topic, and so on, and so forth. And as I've said, first part pa lang to. So, pupunta naman tayo sa second part ng general reference section. Let's go! So, dito naman tayo sa second part ng general reference section. So, kapag pumasok tayo dito, nandito siya sa isang room wherein ang laman kasi niya is puro more on law books. So, kapag pumasok tayo, makikita natin dito yung iba't ibang variations na meron na related sa law. Meron tayong Supreme Court reports, yung civil code, and so on and so forth. And of course, sa first floor, sa second floor, hindi mawawala yung lamesa and mga upuan na para sa'yo o sa barkada nyo. Pwedeng-pwede kayong mag-group study, self-study, and so on and so forth. Enjoyin nyo lang kung ano yung environment na meron dito sa library. So, ay po kayo. Yan, katulad nila. So, as we are now close to concluding the tour, I just want to share an information regarding me with this place. So, nung bata po ako, my dad used to bring me here a lot. Ito nga pala yung pictures ko before. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then, ayun, I really treasure this place so much since most of my happiest childhood memories ay dito ko nagawa. So, I hope this video will help to inspire you din na malay nyo, nandito na rin yung memories na hinahangad nyo as a child, as an adult, or kahit ano ka pa. And before we officially end the video, I just want to send a quick message to all of you. May the store help us to realize na hindi lang ito lugar para sa libro, kundi lugar ito para sa creativity, kaalaman, at preparation ng lahat. Dito, ang bawat pahina, ang bawat libro ay may kwento at aral. Kaya sana sa bawat hakbang natin ay dalhin natin lahat ng kaalaman na makukuha natin specifically sa lugar na ito. Ayun lamang po. Again, I am Andrea, your tour guide for today. Thank you!